Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if the Windows computer is having Bluetooth 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two methods. First method I'm gonna show you without using a third-party software, and the second method I'm gonna show you using a third-party software. So for the first method, what you need to do is just click on the Windows Start icon, and on the search box just search for Device Manager, and now you will see here Bluetooth. Just click on it, and now you need to find out the respective Bluetooth devices that is being attached with your respective computer. So here in my case it's generic Bluetooth radio. So in your case it might be different name, so you can check all the Bluetooths. Just right mouse click on it and just click on this properties. Now you will see here one tab named as Advanced. Just click on it. Now under the firmware version you will see here one LMP, that is a link manager protocol. So here is the version 6.8. so I'll be leaving all the LMP numbers and what it stands, that is which Bluetooth version it stands. Now right now you can see on the video all the values of the LMP. So the LMP 6.8 will indicate that my computer is having a Bluetooth version 4.0. so you can see here. So this is the first method, how you can find out the Bluetooth version without using a third-party software. So for the second method, just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as Bluetooth Version Finder, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see here various files. So you can try all the applications, and if the first and the second file, that is the BT version and BT version into 64, does not work for you, then you can use this example application, which is a batch file. So I will gonna use this batch file. So just right mouse click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Now you can see Bluetooth 4.0. So using these two methods, you can easily find out if the Windows computer is having Bluetooth 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.